this our apartment be 207 and it's been beeping carbon monoxide like for a good little minute. Like we've been outside the house 'cause we ain't go in. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not going in until the fire department get here. And they ain't got here yet. It's been a good little minute too. What's up, y'all? It's K. Wait, wrong. It's
K.
MR. This video not even like entertaining video, bro. This is like, cause like I'm low key really scared for my life now. Like I really don't want to stay here no more.
Yeah. This is day 2. It's my.
It don't really matter.
This is day 2 of this carbon monoxide alarm going off. And it is not going off, just be going off.
Yeah, because the alarm is fairly new, the department said. But if you don't know what carbon monoxide is, it's an odorless, like gas that you can't see.
Or
so
smell.
Like, yeah, so like if it's in your home and you don't got a carbon monoxide alarm like we do, you know what I'm saying, you wouldn't know and you would probably end up
God bless you.
passing away, you know what I'm saying? But
if you constantly having headaches, you getting sick out the blue,
or you getting like extremely tired, like dizzy,
dizziness,
like stuff like that. But
basically, you might want to go to the hospital.
Yeah, because that's what it does. Like once carbon monoxide gets into your bloodstream, once carbon monoxide gets to the air and it replaces the oxygen in your bloodstream with carbon monoxide, and it causes like basically you die from the inside out slowly. But yeah, this is the second day. This is the second night actually that this is going off, and this time we got woken up out of our sleep by this. And something told me after we got back from mom's house to plug up the alarm back because the maintenance people who work for our building, they didn't plug it back up or put no batteries in it, so it wouldn't have went off. So yeah. Good thing I was like I kind of was iffy about it, like the whole day. Like I wonder if this alarm plugged up, and I finally checked it before I went to sleep, and it wasn't. So
you know the alarm is gonna blink. So yeah,
and it wasn't blinking, and I'm like, is this even plugged up? So once I got off the ceiling and I looked, it wasn't plugged up, and it hadn't had any batteries in it. So you know what I'm saying we was set up for failure. I feel like.
So yeah, because yesterday they had this little detector to see how much is the carbon monoxide. And yesterday it was reading 68. Today,
parts per million, whatever that means.
Whatever it is. I'm not a firefighter. Yesterday it was reading 68. Today it was reading 52. And from the looks of their faces and what they were saying, that's bad. So
yeah, like I kind of do want to go to the hospital now, because when we first moved here, I don't know if this is related though, but we first moved here, I was having like headaches, like, bro, like I really don't have headaches like that at all. And when we got here,
you having them for like 2 weeks straight?
Yeah, I was having them like constantly, and it was like hindering me from doing anything really. But and now she's having them, so I don't know if it's related, but I kind of wanted just to see, like, I kind of want to go talk to her just to be sure.
It probably feel like I'm coming down the cold, but I don't even go outside to be coming down with a cold. So if I'm coming down the cold, it's because it is. That's really much it, because normally it would have been coming from the furnace, but this time it's coming from the stove. So we basically just have to wait and see what happens from here. Now, if it goes off again, we have to call them again and tell them to come back out. Hopefully it don't though. But if it goes out anytime after this, you know it's something serious. But for the fact that they went out 2 days in a row,
It's, I feel like that's too much.
And we're the only apartment that is going off in.
Yeah, we're in a whole apartment building, and our apartment is the only one doing this. And
so that should be a warning, a sign of, yeah, y'all need to get on y'all job and fix something. Because the alarm wouldn't be going off for nothing. Like yesterday, they said something about some yellowish stuff in the furnace, but I won't understand what they were saying.
Right, cause we don't know what we're talking about. We're not professionals. We're not firefighters. We don't do this.
This is the first time I've ever been in this situation.
Yeah, like this is the first time I had to really call the police for anything.
And I'm not the type to call the police.
Me neither.
So yeah.
My bad. I'm drinking a lot of water. I just be thirsty, but my bad for like the way we looking though, because we just woke up out of our sleep. We got dressed and
I don't look good. I swear I was sleeping good, and
yeah.
then I just heard that thing. That's how you know how to do that for a while, because I'm a heavy sleeper.
No, because I heard it, so I got up and like right after I heard it, she woke up. It was just like never. So, but I was asleep. I don't know. This is not related, but I was sleeping. I heard some type of like a loud. I don't want to say explosion, but like bang or something. Like it sounded like a gunshot, but at the same time I'm asleep, waking up to hearing it. So I didn't hear it in full sound. Maybe I was just, tweaking because I was asleep, or I was paranoid or something. But I'm just letting y'all know all the facts.
Yeah.
But you remember that we just look so sleepy and tired.
I know I do.
But I don't know, cause like at this point,
I just want my money back.
At this point, I kind of want to get a case towards the apartment complex we're living in for a lot of things actually, but this is like kind of the main thing because this is like life threatening. Like if we didn't have this alarm and if I didn't plug it back up, we probably wouldn't be making a video right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, we'd probably be on the news somewhere. So tomorrow we're gonna go to the office and like give them a rundown of everything that's happening, and hopefully we can either get moved to a different apartment or something. I don't know, cause I don't like staying here no more. Like it was cool at first, but now like it's slowly going down here.
My life in danger.
And this is our first apartment, so like usually like you ain't never want to leave a first apartment, but
if I got to, I'm leaving.
Yeah, like it's starting my life. I don't want to be here. But we just keeping y'all updated with what's going on and all that. My bad. This isn't like an exciting, entertaining video. This is just we just letting y'all know because I kind of felt like we should let y'all know. But anything you want to say?
This was a life lesson though.
How so?
Because I mean you can't learn some stuff from this because like when it first went off I was like, what the fuck? Why is this like, why is this going on? And stuff like that. I didn't know what to do. I kind of panicked a little bit, I kind of panicked a little bit probably from when it first went off yesterday. But if you do have a carbon monoxide alarm and yours is going off, or say like the battery is low or anything, or like it just going off because the battery or anything, still call because it might not just be that battery.
Don't hesitate to call the authorities. You know what I'm saying?
Because,
even though I might not want to, but it can save your life. You know what I'm saying? So just be safe with it. But yeah. I don't know. I don't know because I don't got insurance right now. But I might have to go to the hospital because I don't really like how I'm feeling. And plus, me, anyway, I have sickle cell, so I kind of want to just go to be sure anyway because it could affect me way more than it could affect her. So, it'll keep you updated with that, but it's
what? Oh, it's K. I'm sorry. It's K.
MR.
And that was the update of this carbon monoxide.